Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting essential items ready. AirPods Pro charged and paired to your iPhone. Once paired, enable Siri in Settings, turn on Listen for Hey Siri, and allow side button access so you have both voice and button options. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are active. Siri uses network lookups for many commands. Now put one AirPod in, say a simple command aloud, and listen for the chime that confirms Siri is reachable. This immediate confirmation saves time before deeper setup. Next, customize how you invoke Siri on the AirPods Pro. Go to Bluetooth, tap the info icon for your AirPods, and assign press and hold to Siri for either ear, or set noise control if you prefer that. Once done, run through specific tests, ask for the time, control music, and send a quick message. Make sure Siri's voice and language match your accent in Siri settings. This improves recognition. If responses are slow, toggle Bluetooth off and on to refresh the connection. Finish by practicing real commands so you build muscle memory. Use Hey Siri for hands-free or press and hold for one-ear control, and speak clearly toward the mic. Make sure noise control settings don't block voice pickup. If Siri fails to respond, try one key troubleshooting tip. Forget the AirPods in Bluetooth settings and reset them by holding the case button until the light flashes amber then white. Repair and update iOS. This resets connection quirks and usually restores Siri functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.